Good afternoon, folks, or good evening, I guess now. We're live at 6:35. Running a 3-winner mini for Gary's Yak Face. I got 25 spots here that I'm going to copy. Take over to random here. You see top 3 win spots. Paste them in. 25. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. Which someday might happen. Long roll. Got a 6. We're good. Good luck, guys and gals. Here we go. Sven in the top spot for round 1 with, I believe, number 1. Todd, round 2. Mark 3 and 4. Troy in the top spot for our next to last round, round 5, with number 3, bringing us to the final round. Good luck. Here we go. And our winners are Todd, Troy, and Todd. Congrats, guys. Here's the verification. ABDJJY. There they are. I'm done. That's 636. There it is. Again, here's our winners. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thanks.